Welcome to Hands on Magic. In today's video we're going to be covering our energetic bodies and some different techniques with working with energy in our own body. Our energetic bodies, and that's right, we do have multiple energetic bodies, are either generated by our physical body or mental constructs that we can use as a vehicle. Now, our auras are the energetic body that is naturally generated by our physical body. Even someone who is astral projecting will still have an aura around their body. And all this aura really is a fuzzy field of energy permeating and surrounding the body. And to those who are skilled at seeing them, can display a huge amount of information about that person's mental state and their physical body. The next energetic body that we naturally produce is the astral body. Now, this energetic body is continuously on the astral plane, most of the time in a very fuzzy, non-conscious, low energy state. This energetic body is often neglected when it comes to most discussions on astral projection. But if you read the more ancient texts covering the subject of astral projection, they often talk about the master helping to strengthen the energetic body of the student so that they can actively astral project much easier. The astral body in some ways is linked to the next type of energetic body that we're going to be talking about, and this is our mental image of ourself, because the astral body often takes the form of the mental body. This mental body is also responsible for some of the difficulties that people have when changing their appearance. For instance, if you have a really hard time losing weight, it might be in part due to the fact that your mental image of yourself needs to change to help facilitate the physical loss of weight. Now, those are the basic types of energy bodies. They can all be changed and affected by either our mental images of ourselves and to some extent by our beliefs. In fact, did you know that there are more than one system of energy centers in the body, like chakras? In fact, some Kabbalah teachings use the Tree of Life as a guide to the energy centers of the body. And even in India, where chakras originate from, there are several different systems of chakras out there, some of which have hundreds of different energy centers in the body, instead of the 7 that we normally hear about in the westernized versions. And depending on which of these systems you choose to work with, governs the way that our energy organizes itself and forms energy centers, and the way that you would see and feel other people's energy centers. Now, let's look at some of the ways that we can use this information to our benefit. First off, when dealing with the astral body, we can meditate on it and pump energy into it to increase its energetic density, to allow easier astral projection. And our mental image of ourselves can be altered in a number of different ways to slowly change our appearance. And because everyone is psychic on some level, altering the mental image you have of yourself can also change how other people perceive you. The mental image body also plays some role in healing ourselves. We have to be able to see ourselves healed to allow our bodies to heal themselves. Now then, for your aura. When we have a negative energy attachment to someone, like an energy vampire, that attachment is an attachment onto our aura and can be severed simply by visualizing that person and a cord of energy connecting you to that person and severing that cord of energy, either with the use of magical tools like an athame or simply by visualizing yourself snapping that cord. We can also use energy manipulation to tattoo our aura with sigils for either protection or just about anything else we can think of. So, taking all of that into account, I would love to hear some uses that you can come up with for those energetic bodies. And with that, we have concluded today's video. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you have enjoyed this video and want more content like this. And as always, have a great day.